Myself Mahima Laharia. Welcome to my YouTube channel Pacific Chemistry Classes. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Today I am going to talk about the actinides, their electronic configuration and the oxidation state. I already uploaded the videos of this chapter, lanthanide and actinides. Do watch. And now today let us start our topic, our electronic configuration. So first just have a quick revision of what are our actinides. So students, these are our inner transition elements, or we can say the F block elements, because our electrons enters in the 4F subshell in the lanthanides and the 5F subshells in the actinides. So they are also known as the F block elements. As we know that there are 4 blocks in the periodic table, SPDF. So the lanthanide series starts from lanthanum 57 to lutetium 71, and our actinides starts from actinium to lawrencium, that is at atomic number 89 to atomic number 103. The 14 elements from this area, this in between the actinium and the lawrencium, are termed as our actinides. So just we can have the look on the positions of the actinides and the lanthanides in the periodic table. So this is the periodic table here. So just you can see that our lanthanides and actinides are kept separately below these blocks, SPD blocks, and we are saying them as inner transition elements. Why? Because they are taken from between the transition elements. Inner transition means inner. Inside the transition elements we have taken them and we have kept them separately, so they are termed as inner transition elements. So this is the lanthanide series, that is atomic number 58 of cerium to our lutetium 71, and this is our actinide series. The atomic number starts from thorium 90 to our lawrencium 103. So these are the 14 elements you can see in the violet color. So these elements are our actinide series. As we know that the beginning 4 elements like our thorium, protactinium, uranium and neptunium, only these 4 elements occurs in the nature. Rest of the elements are synthesized, means they are the man-made elements. Now let us see which type of the questions are asked from this topic. So what are actinides? Discuss the electronic configuration of the actinides. So we can say that the 15 elements from actinium, that is atomic number 89, to lawrencium, that is atomic number 103, in which the 5F orbitals are being filled up, are called actinide series. As the first member of this actinide is actinides, so they are also known as actinones. Our 4 members, that is actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, these are occur in the nature. Other elements are the synthetics, and all these actinides are toxic to the human beings. As we all know that all are radioactive in nature, so all these are they causes the toxicity for the human beings. Now let us discuss about the electronic configuration of the actinide. Configuration of the actinides. The general electronic configuration of actinide is Rn means our radon, 5F0 to 14 electrons, 6D0 to 2 and 7S2, means the 5F subshells can have our 0 to 14 electrons, 6D can have 0 to 2 electrons and 7S can has the 2 electron. So students, the radon atomic number is 86, and we can see the configuration of radon, that is xenon. It is our again a noble gas. Its atomic number is 54, so it is completely filled, that is our 6S2, 4F14, 5D10 and 6P6. So just we can writing the configuration, we are always taking the radon as the core member. Now just we can say that there is always a controversy about the writing the electronic configuration of the actinides. Why? Because when we see the energies of our 6D and 5F orbital, it is almost the same. How we calculate the energies? We know that there is n plus 1 rule to write the to find out the energy. Above rule hota hai na. So what is the value of n in the 5F? It is 5. And what is F? We know that 0, 1, 2, 3. So for the F, the value of L is 3. So it will be AH. And 6D, what will be the value of D? It is our 2. So when we have the total of both n plus L, here also 5F also the value is 8. Here also the value is 8. So we see that there is no difference between the energy of our 5F and 6D subshell. So it is very tough to decide where the electrons will enter. So that's why there is some controversy always regarding writing the electronic configuration of our actinides. Now let us have a look on the electronic configuration. First element is actinium. Atomic number is 89. So we will write it as, first we will take for the radon, then 5F0, 6D1, 7S2. Then thorium, atomic number is 90. Configuration will be radon 5F0, 6D2, 7S2. Protactinium, atomic number is 91. Symbol is Pa. So we will write it as a Rn 5F2, 6D1, 7S2. For uranium, atomic number is 92. So we will write it as a radon 5F3, 6D1, 7S2. Neptunium, atomic number is 93. We will write it as a Rn 5F5, 6D0, 7S2. Then plutonium, atomic number is 94. Symbol is Pu. So we will write it as a 5F6, 6D0, 7S2. Then americium, atomic number is 95. So we will write it as a radon, means 86 electron, then 5F7, 6D0 and 7S2. So you can see the americium, this is 5F7, so it will be extra stable. Then curium, atomic number is 96, symbol is Cm, 5F7, 6D1, 7S2. Then berkelium, it's 97, symbol is Bk, so 5F9, 6D0, 7S2. Then californium, atomic number is 98, symbol is Cf, 5F10, 6D0, 7S2. Einsteinium, 99, symbol is Es, radon, 5F11, 6D0, 7S2. Fermium, atomic number is 100, and we can write it as a radon, 5F12, 6D0, 7S2. Then next is our mendelevium, atomic number is 101. And symbol is Md, radon, 5F13, 6D0, 7S2. Nobelium, atomic number is 102. NO, then radon, 5F14, 6D0, 7S2. Then lawrencium, 103, atomic number, symbol is RLR. So we can write it as a 5F14, 6D1, 7S2. As you have seen the general electronic configuration, our 7s will have the 2 electrons respectively. You can see from the top to the bottom of this series, all are 7s2. Then in our, from the beginning you can see, first is 5f0, then 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Means it is easy to learn the configuration after curium. Means it is having the 9, 10, 11, 12 sequence rahega. But you have to learn it very carefully because there is no much similar. Means there is a variation is too much. So for the extra stable configuration, you have to remember for americium 5f7 half filled. Curium is also half filled. So as the total number of electrons in the F subshell is 14. So these are extra stable. Similarly, our nobelium is having the 5F14 and lawrencium is having, these are the completely filled. So these are having the extra stability. Now let us see the oxidation state of our actinide series. So you can see from the beginning the top members, actinium is having the +3, thorium +4, and our protactinium +3, +4, +5. Uranium is having +3, +4, +5, +6, +6, and neptunium is having the highest, it goes up to the +7. Then our plutonium 3, 4, 5, 6, then 3, 4, 3, 4 are common, 3, 4, 3, 4. And now you see the last 3 members are having the +2, +3, +2, +3, +2, +3, and last lawrencium is having the oxidation state of the +3. So just you take the screenshot and write it down, because without the practice you cannot write it in exams. So just you take the screenshot and write in your notes so that you can have a command on the writing the electronic configuration. Thanks for watching, and do share with your friends, do subscribe my channel. Electronic configuration and the questions related with the electronic configuration and oxidation states will be uploaded soon. So till then you can just practice the configuration of the lanthanide and actinides. Both the series, they are very important for your final exams also.